Hey beautiful beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I have some more sorting to do today. I have the Leafy Greens 1 pound bag of Czech glass beads from beadbox.com. We're gonna go through it together like we have before. You can check out those other videos that I will also link in the description section if you've missed them. Now, to order one of these, you do have to be a member or a subscriber of the Bead Box, the monthly subscription, or pay for a $35 annual membership up front for their website. They have a lot of great deals though. Most of the things they sell are just $1 a piece, but they also have a special deal section where they have some bulk quantities of things as well as some mixes like this. I do have a coupon code to share. They set one up for you. It's ORCHID2, ORCHID2, and that will save you $2 off any purchase, whether that's a membership, the subscription box, or if you're already a member, any of your purchases. So let's go ahead and crack into this. What better thing to do when you're stuck inside than to keep yourself busy with beading or crafting? And something like this to sort is a fun distraction. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's covering the bead mat with all those shades of green. So pretty. So like I did before in the other videos, I'm going to be speeding this up and putting it to music, and I'll be checking back in with you as I get organized so we can see what's really in this jumbled bag of beads. All right guys, so that's been about 7 minutes of actual sorting time. Made a lot of progress so far, and this is what I really like to see. I like to see the larger quantities of the beads so that I'm not stuck with one or two of all these different things I have to sort. I'm getting huge quantities of the same ones. This might be one of my favorite ones yet, actually. I think the very first one I did was my favorite, but this one might take the place. We'll see. Even though it's all greens, it's not like other colors mixed in. I mean, look at all these huge quantities of beautiful fire polish beads and the Czech glass pressed leaves. So I can already tell the value is here, in my opinion, for everything you're getting, and we still have a lot left to go through. So let me get to it. right, guys, so that was another about 7 minutes of sorting time, and we are making some good progress and still lots of large quantities of some beautiful Czech glass beads. I'm going to move some of these trays out of the way so that I can sort with a little bit more space, and then I'll bring them back in at the end. Let's go ahead and dive back in one more time and finish up this sort. Guys, so there you have it. This is the Leafy Greens 1 pound mix all sorted out, and I can't believe how overflowing some of these little bead trays are. I'll pan around in just a second. And the only things that were outliers are these. These are the ones that didn't have any matches, which is hardly anything. And that's what I personally like to see in these mixes. I mean, look at all these fire polish beads. It's several strands worth of all these. And there were a ton of these in the mix too. These are a 2-hole bead. Also some more 2-hole beads here. Just a ton of these huge green leaves. Lots of these bellflowers. Look at all these daggers. And I would have had 2 trays worth of these if I hadn't run out of trays. These are a different shade of green than the ones over here, but just a ton of them. I think these fire polish beads are really cool with that finish on them. We have some beautiful peridot with the AB finish and so many of the emerald back here. Wow. Well, I had a lot of fun sorting this out with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it too, and I hope it was helpful for you to get a closer look at what's inside the Leafy Greens mix and to take a look at another one of their 1 pound mixes. Like I said, they've got all different types on their website in their special deals section. You do just need to be a member or a subscriber to the Dollar Bead Box. And I will leave that link down below, as well as the links to the other sorting videos if you want to check those out. And don't forget, you can use that coupon code ORCHID2 to save $2 off any purchase on their site. I want to thank you guys so much for being with me. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you liked this mix or anything else you want to say. I hope you stay healthy, well, and safe out there. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.